Hi, welcome back to Creative Mizat in 25 rice recipe series. Today we are going to make prawns fried rice. Let's get started. Here I have taken 10 pieces of prawns, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt as required, 1 egg, 1.5 cup cooked rice, 3 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 3 green chili sliced, green chili sauce, some coriander leaves, 5 cloves garlic, small piece ginger, 1 lemon. Let's marinate the prawns. Add turmeric powder, chili powder, half of the pepper powder, some soy sauce, mix well. Also add lemon juice. Add soy sauce, pinch of pepper and beat the egg. Now let's start making fried rice. As always, take the vessel that will get super hot. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and scramble the egg. Transfer it to a bowl. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Add some garlic. Fry the prawns. Transfer it to a bowl and now add 1.5 tablespoon of oil and add the ingredients one by one as shown here. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Until next one, bye.